Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to view comments on your documents on Microsoft Office Word. So here I have this random text or these documents, and I will add some comments. To do so, I will just go to insert and add some comment 1, and I will just click it here, and I will add another comment, insert another comment, and uh, comment 2 to display or to view all these documents, or to view all these comments. All we have is to go to the review, uh, either to yes go to the review, and here you will find a comment section here, and we will click on the show button, this show button, and we are going to click list. So after clicking list, it will pop up or show the comments navigation pane or the comment section. As you can see, now we could view the comments, or for example, uh, or you can do a reverse operation to show or to display all the comments is by creating a new one. Because if we create, let's insert it, let's create a comment from the menu, insert here and create a comment. Automatically the other comments will show on the contextual mode. Or let's just show off, or we can just right click here in the blank or somewhere, just get your cursor somewhere and just right click on it and add a new comment, and this way it will show all the comments you already inserted. But the most efficient method is by clicking on the show option in the review menu here, or the review ribbon, and you can choose the mode of showing either by list, and it will pop up the comments pane here, and also you can create new comments directly from here after uh, clicking somewhere. So this is how you display all the comments on Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.